Hit the button and see what happens. Still on a rolling screen. Come on. There we go. Hey, what's up, Hacksters? It's been a while. Last week I was out at CES in Las Vegas, and I have a ton of ridiculous things to share, but especially including this smart potato, where I managed to get an interview with the, or at least a live demo from the creator, Nicolas Baldeck, who's created the world's first smart potato. Now this is the thing. So, like, lemon batteries and potato batteries have been around for a while. There's been people, like, controlling stuff with these, but this is the first one that I've ever seen that could be described as smart, in that it can work as a smart assistant, it can help you make decisions, and it has Bluetooth built in. It does not have Wi-Fi. Everyone seems to think it has Wi-Fi. It technically is not, as far as I can tell, an Internet of Things device, because it doesn't seem to talk to the internet, but it does talk to your phone. So, I compiled the little demo that we got and wrote up the whole transcription into an article, which you can find at Hackster.io/news, which is our amazing new hub, newish, for all the news that you crave about technology, maker, developer news, and things like that. New tools like this new Arduino Portento, which looks really cool. In fact, it's one of those things where I can't actually look at this feed, or I just get distracted for hours. But anyway, back to the smart potato. So the deal with this is that it's a spiky board like this, that has a zinc coating on one side, which is sort of covered up here. Let me see if I can resize this. Yeah, we've got a zinc coating on this side, and a gold coating on that side, which may be an ENIC coating, like gold coating over copper or something. And then you have this little Scilab's chip, which those are the anode and cathode of the power supply, right? And the potato acts as the electrolyte through which electrons flow from one to the other. And this is what powers your, or how you get power out of the potato. It's basically just acting as a substrate for stuff to move through. But yeah, so then that power is stepped up in order to power this Bluetooth chip from Scilabs, which allows it to communicate with your phone. Now, Nicholas also measures the fluctuations in the electric current generated by this entire assembly, and calls that potato brainwaves, which are used to thus determine its answer. So it has this companion app where you can ask it questions, and for some reason my screen is glitching out, I apologize. But yeah, you ask it questions and then it behaves basically like a smart magic 8-ball, only gives you much more dodgy answers. So for example, he asked it, should I buy the new iPhone? Which, as he says, nobody knows this answer except for the potato. And the potato says definitely maybe. So, you know, that may or may not actually be helpful. They have some more examples on the Indiegogo page. Yes, it's an Indiegogo. Yes, you can buy the NeuraSpud spike implant. I'm not sure if you actually get the antenna with it as well. But there's, 918 left. So you have plenty of time to get it at the early bird $29 price. I might have to get one just because. You can get a potato t-shirt for $22 USD. You can get 5 potato stickers for $6. It says, this is not a prank. This is an actual electronic device. We will manufacture it for real. He used the words for real a lot. For example, saying that for real it is using that to power the Bluetooth and talk to your phone. Yeah. So this is the smart potato. We have a bunch more stuff that I found and we put up on our social media channels. So check back through our Instagram and Twitter feeds if you haven't seen all the other ridiculous stuff. We've got some more coming up for you this week, including delightful robots and more. There's definitely more. Ooh, yeah, and like smart hand controllers so that you can wirelessly control stuff with gestures and a bunch of other stuff that I've momentarily forgotten about because I'm doing this right now. So anyway, yeah, if you were at CES, I hope you had an awesome time. If not, hope to see you there next year. Go back the nerd spot if you want to play around with potato batteries and see what you can do. I mean, you know, it might or might not be compatible with lemons as well. I would like to see someone try that. Mm-hmm. Let's see if there's any questions before we shut down. There are not, so alright, we'll catch you tomorrow with some more weird highlights, and I'll see you soon. Hack on.